Good afternoon friends, I hope you are faring on well. I'm back again with another tutorial. This is Mark, yet again with another tutorial. In this one I'll be illustrating to you guys how to fix this error. As you can see on my screen, you see macOS Sequoia last check today at this particular time 17:07. Your Mac is up to date, but in real sense my Mac is not up to date. As you guys already know, the latest release is 15.1 and mine is saying it is up to date, but that is not the case. So to fix such an error, if you are using a Hackintosh, it is so simple. Just minimize that first, then go to your app store. Mine is already open. Search for macOS Sequoia as I've done here, then click the view icon, then now click get, or you can confirm the version. Right here you can see 15.1. so once you click get, it will launch the systems settings, then it will start the search process. So let me minimize this so that you can view it clearly. So just give it time to load. Once it finishes, the download will pop for the macOS 15.1. To prove that, let's wait and see. There you go, it has completed. As you can see, macOS Sequoia. Are you sure you want to download macOS Sequoia version 15.1? So proceed and click the download button. Then that's it. So if you guys have been struggling also with this issue, that is the quickest turnaround or workaround for you to fix this error. So thank you again guys for the support. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Remember to stay safe. Signing out. See you.